Hi everybody, this is Plugspinner, and today we're going to be picking this Abus 7240 padlock. It does have 6 pins. Here is the key for it. It's a decent bitting, does work perfectly. And I also love this orange finish on this one. This one's super nice. To pick it, we're going to be using this Southord slimline hook. I believe it's 22 or 23 thousandths of an inch. And this is the top of keyway tensioner by Lockpick Extreme. So let's get started. We're going to apply some tension and feel for our binders. Okay, 6 is springy, 5 is springy, 4 is springy, 3 is binding. Got to click at a 3. 2 is binding. Alright, click at a 2, and 1 is binding. Got a very crunchy little click at a 1. I'm just going down the pin stack again, trying to find our binder. I think it's actually still pin 1. I can't really get him all the way up because of this warding, so I'm going to try to pick off the side here. Nope. Let's try that again. There we go. We got 1, and we're in a bit of a false set now. Now that we're in a false set, we're going to be looking for counter rotation. 6 is giving us some counter rotation. Okay, click at a 6. 5 is giving us counter rotation. Click at a 5. 4 also giving counter rotation. Okay, click at a 4, and we're open, just like that. Okay, so let's get to gutting then. First we got to take out this screw down here. Got this screwdriver here. Oh, not yet. Oops, almost lost that. Here it is. Okay, let's move these pinning kits a little closer. And here come the guts. All right, I'm actually going to lock this back up for now. We're going to take that C-clip off with this nifty little tool here. There we go. And then this part's a little tricky because this this plug, I don't have a follower that's great for this. I have one that does work right here, but it's a very tiny bit too small. So I'm actually going to shim it just in case. And this will just help make sure we don't mangle any of the springs on the way out. Right, I believe we should be good now. Actually, I just want to make sure I'm on those springs. They're on the under the pins, I mean. Okay. All right, fingers crossed. And success. There we go. So let's start with our key pins. Standard, 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 and standard. So all standard key pins. Nothing super crazy in that plug. Just no counter milling or threading or anything like that. And then let's get this shim out. And now we're gonna check out the Bible. All right. Chamber 1. Standard. And I'll just take out the springs too. All right, chamber 1, standard, chamber 2. Whoa, that was a close one. It's a spool. Chamber 3, spool. Chamber 5, spool. Did I say 5? I meant chamber 4, spool. Chamber 5, spool. And chamber 6, spool. Let's get the rest of those springs out. Nothing special about the springs. Oop. Okay. And that is that. Let me give you a close-up. So we have 5 spool drivers, and then the rest are standards. It didn't look so hard for me to pick, but the first time I picked it, it was relatively challenging. I actually enjoy this bitting. I was originally a little annoyed because I thought these low cuts, I thought that they left no room for these spools to come into play, but I was actually wrong. And I will actually show you that right now. So that's the pin that was in chamber 2. So if you put the pin into chamber 2, you'll see that there's still room on top of it. And so that is where the spool would hook. So it looks like even though there are some really, really low cut pins in this one, all of the security pins do come into play, which I was happy to see, because if it doesn't, then what's really the point? But anyway, really, really fun lock. Also really, really pretty finish. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a nice day. Thanks for watching.